Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Billy and I'm here to bring you the fundamental concept of physics, Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion is defined as an object will always remain at its original state of motion unless acted by an external force, or inertia. The first experiment will show how mass affects inertia. Here we have an empty bottle and the Newton's infamous apple. Now we fill the bottle up with water and we'll see what happens when we repeat the same thing. Notice how the bottle did not move that far or topple over when it is full. This is because the higher the mass, the greater the inertia. Next, a second experiment. Here we have an empty Tupperware and a plastic in the bottom. We repeat it with a bag of chips in it. And now, a bag of oats. Basically, more mass, more inertia. And here are a few life hacks. First, to check whether is your egg done. Spin it, stop it momentarily, and if it spins again, it means your egg is still raw. When you're late for class and your honey won't get out from the bottle, give it a few nice jerks and the honey will flow out easily. This is because you're applying force to change the honey's state of motion. However, inertia can be dangerous to you, especially when you're in a car. So that's why always wear the safety seatbelt. That's all folks. See ya. Hope you learned something from me today. Thank you and bye bye.